In this session, we will discuss about the geometrical based problems and upstream and downstream problems. It means the time and distance related problems. Okay. So see the first question. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 26 centimeter and the sum of other two sides is 34 centimeter. Find the length of its side. Find the length of its sides. Okay. So one right angle is given here. So this is the first question. The hypotenuse of this right angle triangle is 26 centimeter. Let's just consider it as a B, C is a right angle triangle. In that, angle B is a 90 degree. Okay. So hypotenuse is the longest side. The length of the hypotenuse is 26 centimeter and the sum of other two sides is 34 centimeter. Sum of these two sides AB plus BC. They are not specifically mentioned each length. So you need to consider that sum of two sides AB plus BC is equal to 34 centimeter. So how you can consider? Let one side is X. Let the one side of the right angle is considered as a X and another side is 34 minus X. Why? Because the sum of these two sides, if I am taking this as X, means the remaining should be, how will get that remaining length of the second side? By subtracting the first side from the second side. So sum of these two sides, just consider it as this one is a Y, means X plus Y, which is equal to 34. The sum of these two sides, which is equal to 34 centimeter. If I need X value only, means 34 minus Y. If I need Y value, length of the side BC, means Y is equal to 34 minus X. Okay. So one side is X and another side is 34 minus X. Now apply the Pythagoras theorem. Apply the Pythagoras theorem. With the help of the Pythagoras theorem, by using Pythagoras theorem. So what is that Pythagoras theorem? What is the statement of the Pythagoras theorem? In any right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. It means AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? So just apply the Pythagoras theorem. 26 square, hypotenuse square is equal to X square plus, what is that another side? 34 minus X. 34 minus X whole square. So this is the Pythagoras property. Now simplify this one. 26 square is, what is the square of 26? 676, which is equal to X square plus 34 minus X whole square. It is in the form of A minus B whole square. Okay. So simplify the second term with the help of A minus B whole square. 34 whole square minus 2 into 34 into X plus X square. Write this 26 square as it is 676, which is equal to X square plus 34 square. 34 square means you need to multiply 34 2 times. Okay. So multiply here. 4 4s are 16, carry 1. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Now multiply with 3. 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 3 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So 6, 5, 1, 1. So 1156. 1156 minus 34 to 68x plus x square. Now x square plus, write this 676 as it is, x square plus x square, 2x square plus 1156 minus 68x. Now take that all terms one side, either you can take LHS side or RHS side. Just take the terms all one side. Okay, so 2x square plus 1156 minus 68x. Take this 676 to RHS side. 676 minus 676. Just subtract this one, 1156 minus 676. What you will get? 6 minus 6 is 0. 15 minus 7 is 8. So we cannot subtract 7 from 5. Borrow 1 means again it is 11. 11 minus 7 means 4. 480. So 2x square minus 68x plus 480, which is equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form of the quadratic equation. 2x square minus 68x plus 480, which is equal to 0. Just observe the coefficients of x square, x and constant term. All are even numbers, so it is easily divisible by 2. It means we are reducing the quadratic equation to its simplest form by dividing 2 to the whole given equation. What we will get? X square 34x plus 240, which is equal to 0. Right? Now split the middle term. The sum of that two terms should be equal to minus 34x, and the product of that two terms is equal to 240. So x square minus 24x minus 10x plus 240, which is equal to 0. See here, minus 24 and minus 10, minus 34, 24 tens are minus into minus plus 24 tens are 240. So these two are the required factors of minus 34. Now in first two term, what you have to take common? X. If I am taking x as a common means x minus 24. In last two term, what you have to take common? Minus 10, x minus 24, which is equal to 0. X minus 24 is equal to 0, one term, and another term is x minus 10, which is equal to 0. If x minus 24 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 24, or x minus 10 which is equal to 0 means x is equal to plus 10. So these two are the required roots of the quadratic equation. Now we can find the two sides. When here what we are getting here, two roots, 24 and 10, both are positive values only. When x is equal to 24, it means when one side is 24 means another side, what about the another side? 34 minus x, that is equal to 34 minus 24, that is nothing but 10 centimeter. Or if x is equal to, if you are consider x as a 10 centimeter, then another side is 34 minus x, that is nothing but 34 minus 10, which is equal to 24 centimeter. So there will be two possibilities here. If one side length is 10 centimeter means another side is 24 centimeter. If BC is 10 means, AB is 24. If AB is 10 means then BC is 24. There will be two possibilities. Therefore, required sides of right angle triangles are, what are the two required sides? 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter. 24 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So these two are the required length of the sides of the right angle triangle. Okay, see the second question. The side of a right angle triangles are x minus 1 centimeter, 3x centimeter and 3x plus 1 centimeter. Find first one the value of x, second one the length of its sides, third one its area. Okay, this is the second question. Here three lengths are given in the algebraic form. First one is 3x plus 1, x minus 1 and 3x. You already know that in the right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the longest side. So we need to consider the largest or the highest exponential form of the algebraic expression as a hypotenuse. Here 3x, x minus 1 and 3x plus 1. Comparatively these two, this one is highest or largest algebraic expression. So we need to consider that it as 3x plus 1 as a hypotenuse of the right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. Okay. Now, what are the other two sides? Either you can take BC as a x minus 1 or 3x. Once we write the hypotenuse, other two sides we can write anywhere. If we are considering this as a x minus 1, then the third side is 3x. If I am taking BC as a x minus 1 means then AB is 3x. Okay. So these are the three given algebraic equations. With the help of these three, we need to find x value in first question. Second one, the length of all three sides of the right angle triangle. And third one, we need to find the area of the right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, so we already know the Pythagoras theorem. Square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the other two sides, sum of the squares of other two sides. So hypotenuse is 3x plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 3x minus 1 whole square plus 3x whole square, right? Now 3x plus 1 whole square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So simplify. 3x whole square is 3 square is 9 x square plus 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 6 into 1 is again 6x plus 1 square is 1, which is equal to x minus 1 whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So expand this one, x square plus 2x, sorry, minus 2x plus 1 plus 3 square is 9 x square. Okay. Now take all these terms one side. Either you can take LHS side or RHS side. So 9x square plus 6x plus 1 minus x square plus 2x minus 1 minus 9x square. Here plus 9x square and minus 9x square get cancelled. 6x plus 2x is 8x. 8x minus x square, right? Next one, plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. 9x square minus 9x square get cancelled, plus 1 and minus 1 get cancelled. The remaining terms are 2x plus 6x is 8x and minus x square, which is equal to 0. What we have common here? X. So x, take it as a common. Next, 8 minus x. Once I take x as a common means x will come outside, the remaining numerical value is 8, in that x square is there. If I am taking x as a common, means the remaining 1x is there here. Okay, so x into 8 minus x. Now, what are the two roots of the quadratic equation? X is equal to 0, one root, or 8 minus x, which is equal to 0. X is equal to 8. Just take minus x to RHS side, then x is equal to 8. Listen here. We are having here two roots, right? X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 8. If I am substituting x as a 0, means 3 into 0 is 0. Again here 3 into 0, 3 into 0, 0 plus 1. This one is x, 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Usually the length will not be in the length will never be in negative terms, or BC has some specific length. So 0 we are not considering here. What is that remaining root? One more root we have now here. X is equal to 8. So x value is 8. This is the first answer. Second one, length of the sides. Length of sides of triangle ABC. First one, AB is equal to x minus 1. So x minus 1 means x value is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7 centimeter. Second one, BC is 3x. X value, I already know the x value 8. So 3 times of x means 3 8s are 24 centimeter. Next one, AC, third side. It means hypotenuse of the right angle. So 3x plus 1, which is equal to 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1, 25 centimeter. Okay. So these are the three lengths of the right angle triangle. Now third one, what we need to find? The area of the triangle. Usually right angle triangle, area of the right angle triangle is calculated by using the formula half into base into height. Therefore area of triangle ABC, which is equal to half into base into height. Half into base value is, BC is a base, so 24. Height is 7 centimeter. You can also take AB as a base and BC as a height. Then also you will get the same answer. 2 1s are 2, 12s are 12, 7s are 84 centimeter square. 84 centimeter square. So these are the three required answers. Okay. Now see the next third question. Third question is, the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle, exceeds one side by 1 centimeter and the other side by 18 centimeter. Find the length of the sides of a triangle. This is third question. Again we are considering here one right angle triangle ABC, right angle at angle B. The hypotenuse is already given, that is x. Okay. The hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, that we are considering the hypotenuse of the right angle. Let hypotenuse of the right angle or hypotenuse of right angle triangle is equal to x. Consider it as a x. Next one, exceeds one side by 1 centimeter and another side by 18 centimeter. Exceeds means you are taking the minus, x minus, so one side is x minus 1. Either you can take BC as a x minus 1 or AB as a x minus 1. and another side is x minus 18. Okay, so these two are the two sides. Now, by using Pythagoras theorem, what is that hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is x square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So x square is equal to x minus 18 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square. X square is equal to x minus 18 whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. So simplify this one. X square minus 2 18s are 36. 36x minus 18 square is plus 18 square is 324 plus x square is x square minus 2x plus 1. Now x square is equal to x square plus x square is 2x square minus 36x minus 2x minus 38x. 324 plus 1 is 325. Now take all these terms one side. 2x square, take this x square to RHS side, it becomes minus x square minus 38x plus 325, which is equal to 0. Now 2x square minus x square is minus x square minus 38x plus 325, which is equal to 0. Now we need to split the middle term as two terms. So here middle term is, you can also solve this quadratic equation with the help of the quadratic formula. Either you can use here quadratic formula or factorizing method. Now x square, we can split the minus 38x. The sum of that two terms is equal to minus 38 and product of that two terms is equal to 324. So minus 25x minus 13x plus 325, which is equal to 0. 25 13s are 325, minus 25 and minus 13 is minus 38. Now x square minus 25x minus 13x plus 325, which is equal to 0. In first two term, what we have to take common? X minus 25 plus minus 13, again x minus 25, which is equal to 0. Now x minus 25 is equal to 0, one term, and another term is x minus 13. X minus 13 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 25 and x is equal to 13. X is equal to 25 and x is equal to 13. Okay. Now see the first one. X, we have here two roots of the quadratic equation and both are positive roots. Just check it. First one, if x is equal to 13, listen here, x is equal to 13 means 13 minus 1 is 12. Okay, x is equal to 13. Here 13 minus 18 is minus 5. The length of the right angle will not be in negative terms, so neglect that value 13. Just consider the another root, that is 25. So if x is equal to 25 means hypotenuse or AC is equal to 25 centimeter. Then second side AB is equal to x minus 18. That means 25 minus 18, which is equal to 7 centimeter. And next one, last side, BC is equal to x minus 1, that is equal to 25 minus 1 is equal to 24 centimeter. Okay, so these are the three sides of the right angle triangle, three sides of the right angle triangle. Next one. See the next fourth question. The sides of a right angle triangle containing the right angle are 4 centimeter and 2x minus 1 centimeter. If the area of the triangle is 13 centimeter square, calculate the length of its sides. So here I am taking one right angle triangle. The two sides are already given. It means this one has a 4 centimeter and another one has a 2x minus 1. Just see the question once again. The sides of a right angle triangle containing the right angle are 4 centimeter and 2x minus 1 centimeter. If the area of the triangle is 13 centimeter square, calculate the lengths. Area of triangle which is already given, that is equal to 30 centimeter square. So how you can find the area of right angle triangle? Half into base into height, so height, area of triangle is equal to right angle triangle is equal to half into base into height, which is equal to 30 centimeter square. Now here half into, take this one BC as, you can also take BC as a 4 and AB as a 2x minus 1. You will get the same answer. Okay, base is 2x minus 1 into AB is height is 4x, which is equal to 30. Okay, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So remaining is 2x minus 1 into 2, which is equal to 30. 2x into 2 into 2x, 4x minus 4, x is there here, 2x into 2x, 4x square. Next one, 2x into minus 1 is minus 2x, which is minus 30, which is equal to 0. Just rearrange the term. What you will get? 4x square minus 2x minus 30, which is equal to 0. All the coefficients are even numbers, so just divide the whole equation by 2. You will get the reduced form of the quadratic equation, that is 2x square minus x minus 15, which is equal to 0. Okay, 2x square minus x minus 15, which is equal to 0. Now split the middle term or simplify this quadratic equation with the help of the quadratic formula. 2x square minus 6x plus 5x. Minus 6x plus 5x is nothing but a minus x, and product of these two is equal to product of the first term and last term, minus 15, which is equal to 0. In first two term, what I have to take common? 2x, x minus 3. In last two term, plus 5 is common, so x minus 3, which is equal to 0. So one term is 2x plus 5, which is equal to 0, or another term is x minus 3, which is equal to 0. If x plus 5 is equal to 0, means 2x is equal to minus 5, and x becomes minus 5 by 2. Here x minus 3 is equal to 0, means x is equal to 3. Okay, the length of the triangle will never in the negative form, so x required x value is 3. Now find the length of the sides. What are the lengths? First one, AB is equal to 4x. 4 times of 3 is 3 times of 4 is 4 3 is a 12 centimeter. Second one, BC is equal to 2x minus 1. So x value is here 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 1 is 5 centimeter. So what about the AC? AC is equal to, how you can find the AC? Square root of AB square, square root of AB square plus BC square. It means 12 square plus 5 square, that is equal to 12 square is 144 plus 5 square is 25. 144 plus 25 which is equal to 169. The square root of 169 is 13 centimeter. Okay, so these three are the required length of the right angle. See the next fifth question. The diagonal of a rectangle is 60 meter more than its shortest side, and the larger side is 30 meter more than the shortest side. Find the sides of the rectangle. So this is the shortest side. Just we are considering A, B, C and D. In that, the shortest side, either you can take it as a shortest side as a BC or AD. The shortest side is X. The diagonal of the rectangle is 60 more than its shortest side. So this is the diagonal. So AC is the diagonal, and it is 60 more than its shortest side. The length of the shortest side is X, and diagonal is 60 more than its shortest side, and another side is 30 more than its shortest side. So this is X plus 30. Now by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can simplify and find the roots of the quadratic equation as well as the length of the sides of the rectangle, by using Pythagoras theorem. So I can write the Pythagoras theorem. X plus 60 whole square, which is equal to x square plus x plus 30 whole square. So it's in the form of a plus b whole square. So simplify this one. X square plus 2 into 60 is 120x plus 60 square is 6 square is 36, and square of single zero is double zeros, is equal to x square plus 2 into 30 is 60, x plus 30 square is 3 square is 9, and square of single zero is double zeros. Okay, now take this all term one side. X square plus 120x plus 3600, x plus x are minus x square minus 60x minus 900, which is equal to 0. Plus x square and minus x square get cancelled. 120x minus 60x is 60x. Now the remaining terms are minus x square. 3600 minus 900 is plus 2700, which is equal to 0. Just we are rearranging the quadratic equation. Minus x square plus 60x plus 2700, which is equal to 0. Here the quadratic equation is in the form of negative terms. So just by multiplying the minus to whole equation, will convert the negative equation as a positive equation. So x square minus 60x minus 2700, which is equal to 0. Okay, now split the middle term. X square minus 60x minus 2700, which is equal to 0. X square, split the minus 60 minus 90x minus 60x minus 30x, minus 30x. So 90x minus 30x is minus 60x. 9 3s are 27, remaining 0 as it is minus 2700, which is equal to 0. So x square, in first two term what you have to take common? X. If I am taking x as a common means x minus 90. In last two term minus 30 is common, so x minus 90, which is equal to 0. X minus 90 is equal to 0 or x minus 30, which is equal to 0. Here x minus 90 is one root and x plus 30 is another root. If x minus 90 is equal to 0 means then x is equal to plus 90. X plus 30 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 30. So usually we are not considering the negative values in the length of the sides of any geometrical figures. Therefore x is equal to 90. 90 is the x value. Then the shortest side AD is equal to length of rectangle, length of the rectangle, that AD is equal to x is equal to 90 centimeters, and second one is DC or AB is equal to x plus 30, that is equal to 90 plus 30, which is equal to 120 centimeters. Okay, so these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Here the lengths are in meters, so 90 meter and 120 meters are the two length of the sides of the rectangle. See the next question. The perimeter of the rectangle is 104 meter and its area is 640 meters square. Find its length and breadth. Find its length and breadth. Sixth one. The perimeter of the rectangle is 104 meter and its area is 640 meter square. Find its length and breadth. Let length and breadth of rectangle. L and B are the length and breadth of the rectangle. Okay. So perimeter of the rectangle is, what is that formula? Perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into x plus y. We are considering here x and y are the length and breadth. Okay. Now perimeter of the rectangle is already given, that is 104 meter, which is equal to 2 into x plus y. Now x plus y, which is equal to, just take these two in the place of denominator, cross multiplying. 104 divided by 2 is nothing but a 52 meter. Now if x is equal to then x is equal to 52 minus y, or y is equal to 52 minus x. If we are considering the quadratic equation in terms of x, then we will substitute the y value. If we are considering the quadratic equation in terms of y, then we will substitute the x value. Okay. Next one, what they are given? The area of rectangle is already given. Area of the rectangle is 640 meters square, right? So what is the area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth. So what we are considering here? Length and breadth, x into y, right? So x into y, which is equal to 640. Now I am considering the quadratic equation in terms of x. So write this x as it is. In the place of y, what you have to write? Y is equal to 52 minus x is equal to 640. Now simplify the quadratic equation. 52 into x, 52x minus x into x square, which is equal to 640. Now take this 640 to LHS side, it becomes minus 52x minus x square minus 640, which is equal to 0. Right? We are rearranging this quadratic equation by multiplying the negative sign, then we will get it as x square minus 52x plus 640, which is equal to 0. Now simplify, split the middle term, x square minus 32 minus 32x minus 20x. Sum of these two, check it whether the sum of these two is equal to the middle term or not. Minus 32 minus 20 minus 52. 32 2 is 64, minus into minus is plus, so plus 640, which is equal to 0. In first two terms, what we have to take common? X minus 32. In last two terms, minus 20 is common, x minus 32, which is equal to 0. Right? Here x minus 32 is equal to 0 or x minus 20 is equal to 0. If x minus 32 is equal to 0 means then x is equal to 32, or if x minus 20 is equal to 0 means then x is equal to plus 20. We have two roots of the quadratic equation and both roots are the positive roots. So if x is equal to 32 means, and another side is, what about the another side? If x is equal to 32 means y is equal to 52 minus x is 52 minus 32 is 20. So these are the two length and breadth of the rectangles. Or if we are taking x as a 20 means then y is equal to 32. It means y is equal to 52 minus x is 20, so 52 minus 20 is 32. So both are possibilities, two possibilities are there. Either you can take it as a x as a length, that is equal to 32 as a length, or 20 as a length. If we are taking 32 as a length means then 20 is the breadth. If 20 is the length means 32 is the breadth. Okay, so these are the two possibilities here. Next one, see the next question, 7th one. Two squares have sides x and x plus 4 centimeter. 7th one, two squares have side x and x plus 4 centimeter. The sum of their area is 656 centimeter square. Express this as an algebraic equation in x and also find the equation to find the sides of the quadratic equation, or to find the sides of the squares. Here I am taking two squares. The sides of the two squares are, the side of the first square is x and side of the second square is x plus 4. Okay, the sum of squares of their sides is, area is already given. Sum of the areas of two squares is, areas of two squares is 656. So x square is the first area of the first square. Next, area of the second square is x plus 4 whole square. The sum of the squares of two squares, which is equal to 656. Now first simplify the LHS part. X square write as it is, x plus 4 whole square, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So expand this one, x square plus 2 into 4 8, 8x plus 16 which is equal to 656. X square plus x square is 2x square plus 8x minus plus 16 minus 656, that is equal to 640 which is equal to 0. So whole numbers, just write and observe the numerical values, all are even numbers. Just divide the whole equation by 2, we will get the reduced equation as x square plus 4x minus 620 which is equal to 0. Okay, now here x square plus 20x minus 16x minus 320 which is equal to 0. We are splitting the 4x as two terms, 20x and minus 16x. 20x minus 16x is 4x. 20 into minus 16 is, 20 into minus 16 is minus 320. So in first two term what I have to take common, x plus 20, in last two term minus 16 is common, so x plus 20 which is equal to 0. Now we have here two common factors, again x plus 20 is equal to 0 and another term is x minus 16, x minus 16 is equal to 0. If x plus 20 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 20, x minus 16 is equal to 0 means x is equal to plus 16. Okay, so the two root sides of the squares, the length will never be in terms of negative, so x is equal to length of the sides of squares. First square length is x is equal to 16 centimeter and the another side of the second square is x plus 4, that is equal to 16 plus 4, 20 centimeters. So these two are the length of the two squares. Length of the smaller square is 16 centimeter, the length of the larger square is 20 centimeter. Let's see the 8th question. So these are the some questions based on the geometrical part. Now we will discuss some time and speed related problems. So in the previous classes we already discussed number related problems and age related problems. So these are the some problems based on the geometrical sections. Now see the next one, an express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 km between Mysore to Bangalore if the average speed of the express train is 11 km per hour more than that of the passenger train. Find the average speed of two trains. So just understand the given question. Here two trains are there, one is passenger train and another one is express train. Usually we all know that the speed of the express train is comparatively more to the passenger train, right? So the destination or the time taken to travel between Mysore to Bangalore, the express train will take less time to compare the passenger train, right? The express train, the speed of the express train usually more to comparing the passenger train. Okay, next, so see the given data. The average speed of the passenger train, we are considering here the average speed of the passenger train is considered as a x. Then average speed of express train is, so what they are given here, the express train is 11 kilometer per hour more than that of the passenger train. So its speed is x plus 11. More means we are taking it as a plus, less means we are taking it as a minus. So x plus 11 kilometer per hour. We already know the formula, that is equal to time is equal to distance divided by speed, right? Distance divided by speed. Now time taken to cover what is the distance, 132 kilometer. Time taken to cover 132 kilometer by passenger train, is equal to, distance is 132 kilometer. We are finding here time, right? So time is equal to distance divided by speed. Distance is 132 kilometer between Mysore and Bangalore. So 132 kilometer. The speed of the passenger train is x. So 132 by x. Next, time taken to cover 132 kilometer by express train. 132 is the same distance, right? So 132, and the speed of the express train is x plus 11. So according to the given question, 132 by x, which is equal to 132 by x plus 11. Here the express train reaches 1 hour before. We are adding, it reaches 1 hour before. Okay, so just convert or take this part to the LHS side. 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11, which is equal to 1. If it covers the same distance 1 hour before, means we will add 1 to the express train. If the passenger train takes 1 hour more, means we are subtracting 1 from the passenger train. Okay. Now here cross multiply, just take the LCM. What you will get the LCM here? 132 minus 132, LCM is x plus 11, which is equal to 1, right? So take the LCM and cross multiplication. Okay, so 132 into x plus 11 minus 132 into x, and the LCM is x into x plus 11, which is equal to 1, right? Now 132 into x plus 11 into 132, 11 2s are 22, carry 2, 11 3s are 33, 33 plus 2 is 35, carry 3, 11 1s are 11 plus 14, plus 3 is 14, okay, minus 132x whole divided by x into x is x square plus 11x, which is equal to 1. Just cross multiply this one, plus 132x and minus 132x get cancelled. The remaining is 1452 divided by r. Cross multiply this one, x square plus 11x. Now take this 1452 to RHS side, x square plus 11x minus 1452, which is equal to 0, which is equal to 0. Now split the quadratic equation by taking two terms. Split the middle term, or by using quadratic formula can also simplify the equation. X square plus 44x minus 33x plus 44x minus 33x is nothing but 11x, and the product of these two is 1452 minus 1452, which is equal to 0. In first two term, what you have to take common? X plus 44. In last two terms, minus 33. So x plus 44, which is equal to 0. Now x plus 44, which is equal to 0, one term, or x minus 33, which is equal to 0. So x plus 44 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 44, and x minus 33, which is equal to 0, means x is equal to 33. The speed of the train will never in terms of negative. So the speed of the passenger train is 33 kilometer per hour, whereas the average speed of express train is x plus 11, right? So x plus 11, nothing but 33 plus 11, that is equal to 44 kilometer per hour. So these are the two required average speed of passenger train as well as express train. Okay, next, see the next question, ninth one. A motorboat whose speed is 18 km per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 km upstream than to return the downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of stream. Okay, while you are calculating the upstream and downstream, downstream means plus, upstream means minus, because in the downstream the speed of the boat is gradually increases, right? That's why we are considering it as a positive term. In the upstream, it is opposite to the gravitation, so we are taking it as a negative. Okay, now what we have to find here? The speed of the stream. So speed of the ninth question, speed of stream is considered as x. Speed of the boat in upstream, speed of boat in upstream, speed of the boat in upstream is always 18 minus x, right? Next one, speed of boat in downstream, 18 plus x. In the downstream, the speed is always in the term of positive, whereas in upstream the speed is in the negative form, because it is opposite to the upstream, it is opposite to the gravitation. That's why we are considering here negative sign. Okay, next one, time taken to cover the distance of 24 kilometer. Time taken by boat to cover 24 kilometer in upstream. 24, this is the distance. So time is equal to, we know the formula, time is equal to distance divided by speed, right? So 24 is the distance and the speed is 18 minus x, 18 minus x. Similarly, time taken by boat to cover 24 kilometer in downstream, 24 divided by 18 plus x, okay, 18 plus x. Now from the quadratic equation here, 24 according to the given question, 24 divided by 18 minus x, which is equal to 24 divided by 18 plus x. So usually in the downstream the boat will cover more distance, or it will take the less time to cover the distance. It means it will reach the same distance 1 hour before. That's why we are adding 1 to the downstream part, right? Or we can subtract here minus 1, because it will cover the same distance by 1 hour later. Okay, now simplify this quadratic equation. First take this one to the LHS part, 24 divided by 18 minus x minus 24 divided by 18 plus x, which is equal to 1. Now 24 LCM, what is that LCM here? 18 plus x into minus 24 into 18 minus x. Here 18 minus x and 18 plus x, it is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So I can write this one, 18 square minus x square, which is equal to 1. Okay, now 24 into 18, multiply that one, 24 into 18, 24 into 18 is 18 4s, 18 4s 70 to carry 7, right? Next 18 2s 36, 36 plus 7 is 36 plus 7 is 43, right? So 432 plus 24 into 18, 432, 24 into x is 24x minus 24 into 18 again minus 432 minus into minus is plus 24 into x is 24x whole divided by 18 square is just multiply the 18 2 times. What you will get? 18 square is 324. So 324, right? How can squaring this one? 18 square. The shortcut method is first take 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 8 into next 8 square. Once you get the 2 digits means add to the next one. Okay, by using this trick you can easily find the square root of 18, square of 18. 18 square is 324 minus x square, which is equal to 1. Cross multiply this one. Plus 432 and minus 432 get cancelled. 24x plus 24x is 48x is equal to, this is x square, 324 minus x square. Now take this all term to the LHS side. Minus x square becomes plus x square plus 48x minus 324, which is equal to 0. Now split the middle term into 2 factors. You will get the roots of the quadratic equation. So x square plus 54x minus 6x plus 54 minus 6 plus 54x minus 6x minus 324, which is equal to 0. The sum of these two is equal to minus plus 48 and product of these two is equal to 324. In first two term, x has a common term, so x plus 54. In last two terms, minus 6 is common, so x plus 54, which is equal to 0. So one term is x plus 54 is equal to 0 and another term is x minus 6 is equal to 0. X is equal to x plus 54 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 54. X minus 6 is equal to 0 means x is equal to plus 6. So usually the time is not in the form of negative, then the speed of the stream is, therefore speed of stream is 6 kilometer per hour. 6 kilometer per hour. This is the required speed of the stream. Okay. See the next question. If the speed of a car is increased by 10 kilometer per hour, if the speed of the car is increased by 10 kilometer per hour, it takes 18 minutes less to cover a distance of 36 kilometer. Find the speed of the car. Tenth one. If the speed of a car is increased by 10 kilometer per hour, it takes 18 minutes. 18 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 18 minutes it will take less than 18 less time to cover the same distance. How many times it will take so 18 minutes it will be reached 18 minutes before that's destination. Okay. 18 minutes less to cover a distance of 36 kilometer. Find the speed of the car. Let the speed of the car is considered as a speed of a car is speed of the car be considered as a x. Okay. If what is that given distance? Distance is equal to the total distance is given, that is equal to 36 kilometer. Time taken to cover the distance of 36 kilometer. Time taken by car to cover 36 kilometer. 36 kilometer. What is that formula? Time is equal to distance divided by speed. So distance divided by speed means distance is 36 kilometer and the speed of the car is x. Right? If the speed of a car increased by 10 kilometer per hour means 10 kilometer per hour means the speed of the car is x plus 10. Then how much time it will take? Time taken by car to cover the same distance, that is 36 kilometer, is 36 divided by x plus 10. Here the speed of the car is increased by 10 kilometer per hour. Therefore the time taken by the car to cover the same distance 36 kilometer is 36 divided by x plus 10. Okay. Now the car will when the speed of the car is increased, it will take less time and it reaches 18 minutes before. Okay. So according to the given question, 36 by x is equal to 36 by x plus 10 plus it will reach the same destination 18 minutes. We are converting here minutes in terms of hours, so 18 divided by 60. Now take this part to the LHS side. 36 by x minus 36 by x plus 10, which is equal to 18 and 60 are the factors of 6. These two are easily multiplied by, these are the 18 and 60 are the factors of 6, no? So 6 3s are 6 10s are 3 by 10. Now here take the LCM. 36 into x plus 10 minus 36x, and LCM is x into x plus 10, which is equal to 3 by 10. We are just cross multiplying on x plus 10 into 36. So 36 into x is 36x plus 36 into 10 360 minus 36x whole divided by x into x is x square plus x into 10 is 10x, which is equal to 3 divided by 10. Again cross multiply, plus 36x and minus 36x get cancelled, remaining 360 divided by x square plus 10x, which is equal to 3 divided by 10. Now cross multiply these two. 3 into x square is 3x square plus 3 into 10 is 30x, this one is 10x and 30x, which is equal to 360 into 10 is 3600. Now take this 3600 to LHS side. So 3x square plus 30x minus 3600, which is equal to 0. 330 and 36 are 3600 are the multiples of 3. So just divide the whole equation by 3. You will get the reduced quadratic equation, that is x square plus 10x minus 3 1s are 3 2s are 2. So 1200, which is equal to 0. Now split the middle term. X square plus 40x minus 30x minus 1200, 1200. 40x minus 30x is nothing but a 10x, and the product of these two, 40 into 30 is 1200. So in first two terms x has a common, x plus 40. In last two term minus 30 is common, x plus 40, which is equal to 0. Again we have two common terms here, x plus 40 and x plus 40. So x plus 40 is equal to 0 and x minus 30 is another term is equal to 0. If x plus 40 is equal to 0 means, x plus 40 is equal to 0 means, then x is equal to minus 40, or we have another root, x minus 30 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 30. The time or speed is not in the terms of negative, so x is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 is the required speed. Therefore, the speed of the car is speed of the car is 30 kilometer per hour. This is the initial speed. If the speed of the car is increased by 10 kilometer per hour means, then the speed of the car is 30 plus 10 is 40 kilometer per hour. When it travels the car in 40 kilometer per hour, it will reach the same destination before 18 minutes. If it travels in the speed of 30 kilometer per hour, it will cover the same distance after 18 minutes. Okay, next one, see the next question. Here the question is based on the profit and loss. A man bought 11th one. So these are the some questions based on the speed and time. Now we will discuss some commercial questions based on the profit and loss percentages. 11th question. A man bought an article for RSX rupees X and sold it for rupees 16, if he losses was X percent, find the cost price of article. Find the cost price of the article. So cost price of the article is considered as X. Cost price of the article is considered as X. The selling price of the article, SP, the selling price of the article is 16 rupees, right? How can find the loss? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. Cost price minus selling price. That means X minus 16, right? Now what we have to find? Find the cost price, right? Here cost percentage, loss percentage was X. So loss percentage, we know the formula. Loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price, cost CP, cost price into 100. Profit percentage means profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. Loss percentage and profit percentage were always calculated on the basis of their cost prices. Okay, so loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price into 100. So loss percentage is one, that is X, and loss is X minus 16 divided by cost price is, so what is the cost price? X into 100, right? So these are the some given datas. Okay, now simplify this one. X into X is X square, which is equal to 100 into X is 100X minus 16 into 100 is 1600. Now take these two to the LHS side, you will get the standard form of the quadratic equation. So X square minus 100X minus 1600 becomes plus 1600, which is equal to 0. Now X square minus 100X can be split it as minus 80X minus 20X. Minus 80X minus 20X is nothing but a minus 100X, and their product is equal to plus 1600 which is equal to 0. In first two terms, what you have to take common? X minus 80. In last two terms, minus 20, X minus 80, which is equal to 0, right? Now here X minus 80 is equal to 0 or X minus 20 is equal to 0. We have two roots, then X minus 80 is equal to 0 means X is equal to 80, or X minus 20 is equal to 0 means X is equal to 20. Okay, so these are the two roots of the quadratic equation. Therefore the cost price of the article, is either 20 rupees or 80 rupees, either 20 rupees or 80 rupees. Okay, see the next question, 12th one. A trader brought an article for rupees X and sold it for 52 rupees, thereby making a profit of X minus 10% on his outlay. Calculate the cost price. So the previous question, 11th one, this question is based on the loss percentage, and the next question what we are solving now, this question is based on the profit percentage. Okay, 12th one. So what are the given data here? Cost price of the article. Cost price of the article is X. Okay. Now the selling price of the article is SP. Selling price of article is 52 rupees. He sold the article for rupees 52. Then profit is 52 minus x. 52 minus x. So profit is nothing but a selling price minus cost price, right? So loss is nothing but a cost price minus selling price. Profit is nothing but a selling price minus cost price. Okay, and one more is given here. What is that? Profit. Yes, profit percentage is given. So profit percentage, what is the profit percentage formula is? Profit percentage is equal to profit divided by cost price into 100. I already told you the profit percentage and loss percentage is calculated on the basis of cost price only. So profit percentage is given, that is x minus profit percent, thereby making a profit of x minus 10%. So profit percentage is given, that is x minus 10, and the profit is 52 minus x, and the cost price is x into 100. Now multiply this one, just cross multiply. X into x is x square, x into minus 10x, which is equal to 100 into 52 is 5200 minus 100 into x is 100x. Now take these two terms to LHS side. X square minus 10x plus 100x minus 5200, which is equal to 0. Now x square minus 10x plus 100x is plus 90x minus 5200, which is equal to 0. Now we will split the middle term into two terms. We are splitting the middle terms as two terms. What we have the quadratic equation? X square plus 90x minus 5200, right? X square plus 130x minus 40x. 130 minus 40 is plus 90. 130 into minus 40 is minus 5200, which is equal to 0. In first two term we are taking x as a common, so remaining is x plus 130. In last two term we are taking minus 40 as a common, x plus 130, which is equal to 0. Again we have two common terms here. So x plus 130, which is equal to 0, or x minus 40, which is equal to 0. If x plus 130 is equal to 0, means then x is equal to minus 130, or x is equal to 40. If x minus 40 is equal to 0, means then x is equal to 40. The rate or the cost price of the article will never in terms of negative. Therefore the cost price of article is rupees 40. The cost price of the article is rupees 40. Okay, just practice these type questions, you will get some more knowledge. Okay students, so these are the some questions based on geometrical section, right? Next one, time and speed related problems. Next, commercial based problems. These type problems very important for your examination point of view. Just practice these type questions, you will get more knowledge. Okay, the next class we will discuss the next chapter. Until then, be happy, have a nice day. Thank you for watching video.